Hi and welcome to Add More Zest, and my name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. I have a couple of, I'm pretty sure this is a diamond painting, a couple of diamond paintings and a framing option to share with you today from Fansells. I will of course pop links to everything down below, but we'll start with this diamond painting because it's here and I can partly see it, and it may help me show you the framing option. So this is a 30 by 30 painting. It is a round and it's fun. Any music lover in your life, whether that be listening to music or playing music, this could be a nice art piece for their room, space, whatever it may be. It's down as a 30 by 30 and the design space or the design area is 25 by 25. It has 16 different colours and it has really nice and clear symbols. They are all letters. So it does use a lighter colour on a darker symbol, and I can see them quite clearly. It's a mixture of W's, B's and O's, so they don't look too similar at all. You do get a toolkit with a boat wax and pen, and these are your colours. Primarily, well, there is quite a bit of white, of course, for the background. Your darkest colour is probably 939, which is what makes up the treble clef. But then we have some really nice pinks, purples, yellows, a little bit of red, etc. in this one, and of course some green. I can see green. 988 it is. It's a bright green. It's not lime green, but it's definitely a bright green. So there is some green in there as well. So that is painting number one. Item number two that I'm pretty sure is a painting, and I just need to find where I put the scissors. Is that going to allow me access, or do I need scissors again? No, I'm getting in there. This is a big one. It is a diamond painting, so I was right on that front. It is a big one. It has 24 different colours and it does come with DMC numbers. It's a multi-panel one, that was it. You do get two toolkits in case you want to share. Not that I do. Oh, we do have a little bit of a diamond explosion. Does look like we have had one packet that may have let loose. So I'm going to show you the colours here, because I think that is the safer option. But occasionally the heat seal doesn't quite seal, can happen with any company, but it just needs a little bit of care to get in that one. But you get 3 panels. Let me just pop those couple of diamonds that have escaped. I'll pop them back in after. So we have just short of 17 centimetres for the 2 end panels, and then the middle panel, the actual design area, is 34 centimetres, and height wise they are 38 and a half, well, just over 38 and a half centimetres, just short of 39 centimetres high. But I think that image is stunning. That is the image of the 3 of them together. Symbols wise, we have 24, we have numbers and letters, but we don't have any other symbols. Darkest colour is 310. Here's the darkest one, but then that is only, it's scattered. It is the main body of that elephant, but then you do have other colours to bring in the depth. Same with these two. There's a little bit on here, a little bit down here at the bottom, and a little bit in the trees. But it's not a huge amount that it's blocky. If I can pull that up, can you see? So it's sort of a scattering in with all the other colours to bring in that gorgeous sunset. So that is painting number 2. And then the framing option, and I have had these before. I really like the way these work. Let me find my scissors. Oh, it's an elastic band. I thought it was like a zip tie, but it's not. It's an elastic band, even better. So this is a set of wood pieces that make up your frame. So these are your 2 halves. This is your top and this is your bottom. And I'm probably best to show you this with this canvas. So these are actually joined by pretty strong magnets. If you do want extra security, you can always put wood as well. But once you've finished your painting, you pop that one behind and you pop this one on the front, and they will join together where they need to join. So you may need to trim your canvas just a little bit, depending on the size. You can get these in different widths. I chose a 30cm width, whereas this painting itself needs a 25cm, because what you do is you trim off both sides and then you put these on the top and on the bottom. So you would trim a little bit off the bottom, but not too much. Let me just move it down. So you would possibly trim half of the bit off the bottom and half of the bit off the top, but you need to leave a gap to be able to clip your wooden pieces on, and then you would trim all of it off the side. And what that then allows is the weight of this at the bottom will keep your diamond painting straight, and then you've got your top section, and that took quite a bit to pull that off. I did tug that pretty hard. So you can add glue if you want the extra security, but I have put up a similar painting in a black frame and it has not fallen out at all. It really depends on the length of your painting more than anything, because of course the longer it is, the heavier it is because of all the diamonds on it. But I've not had a problem with mine. So you can just put some double-sided tape on if you want. But these are great if you want to be able to change out your paintings as well. So you can put a painting up and then quite easily pull this off, put a different painting up and pop it back up on the same nail or the same place. Also great to hang off doors and things as well. Or, you know, if you're in a rented property or something, it's one nail, it's one place to fill rather than 2 or 4, depending on what frame you get. But yeah, I think these are a really, really nice look for diamond paintings. You could cut them down, but I just suggest picking up a few different ones in a few different sizes, and then you've always got an option depending on the space that you're going to put them up in. Excuse me. So yeah, really quick, straightforward and easy framing option. In fact, it's probably the easiest framing option is the likes of these hanging bars. And they come with the string, and that is all the way through. So it is actually through and secured in the wood, so that it's not going to go anywhere. If you want to change it, you can pull it out, but it's not going to pull out by the weight of the painting because of the knots at the bottom, and you don't see them because they go at the back of it. So yeah, I will pop links to all of these down below, of course, but whether you fancy a framing option, a gorgeous but simple and bright design, or a big multi-panel to keep yourself busy, you do get 2 toolkits, so maybe you want to let a friend have a go as well. That's up to you. but I'll pop the links down below. Thank you so much to Fansells for sponsoring this video, and thank you to you guys for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.